Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through a comprehensive step-by-step process on how to log out of your Facebook account. Whether you're using Facebook on your desktop or mobile device, this tutorial will show you how to effectively end your active sessions and ensure the security of your account. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, locate the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them to open the Facebook menu. Step 2. Scroll down the menu and find the Settings option. Tap on it to proceed. Inside the Settings menu, look for Password and Security and tap on it. Step 3. In the Password and Security section, you'll find a subsection titled Where You're Logged In. If you don't see all your logged in sessions, tap on See More to expand the list and view all active sessions. Step 4. Identify the session you want to end. Once you've located it, tap on it to access more details about that specific session. Step 5. Finally, on the Session Details screen, you'll see an option to Log Out. Tap on it to successfully log out of that particular session. Congratulations! You have successfully logged out of your Facebook account for the selected session. It's crucial to log out of your account, especially when using public or shared devices, to ensure the security and privacy of your account. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.